Hey guys, I just want to let you know, yes, I'm talking to you. You are a living, breathing, walking miracle. And literally, if you don't believe it, by the end of this video, you will. All I'm asking you to do is just believe in the power of you, because literally, right now, you are listening to me, you are receiving basically the vibrations, the sounds for your ears, and then that message is going to your brain, and then you're comprehending everything I'm saying. And whilst you're also doing that, like, your heart is beating, your blood is flowing, there's an abundance of oxygen around you as well, and your body is inhaling new amazing oxygen into your lungs, and then it's exhaling carbon dioxide. You are literally a miracle. Sometimes I feel like we're all so busy rushing, constantly rushing, looking for, like, we've got to achieve this, got to achieve that, got to do this, got to fulfill this, got to. What if we are already accomplished and achieved just by being alive? Literally, like, that is your purpose. Place your hand upon your chest and feel the beat of your heart. Like, you are already whole. You are already accomplished right now just by being alive. Like, you are here and alive in this exact moment. You are literally a miracle. So I feel like it's vital to stop stop chasing and relax and attract, because you lack nothing. Take your time to enjoy each and every single second of your life, because it's truly magical. And one of the reasons I really wanted to make this video, this is for anyone that doesn't believe in themselves, or just say you had like a really bad day and you start to hear that voice inside your head, the negative voice. All I want to say is, Silencio Bruno. Tell that voice to shut up and be quiet, because you are more than enough. Repeat after me. I have enough. I do enough, because I am more than enough. You are more worthy than all the gold in the world. And I'm not just saying it, literally. Never mind like securing the bag, you are the whole damn bag and more. Literally secure yourself, love yourself so much, because you are love. You are literally the highest vibration and you lack nothing. And the reason I make this video is because I want you to believe in yourself so much, because I've been there, literally, and it happens to all of us. We get that like negative voice in our head that tells us, oh, we're not good enough, you're not this, you're not that. I just want to tell you, you are more than enough. And I just want you to go out there and spread love and light. Shine your light so hard that others cannot help but be awakened by your consciousness. And feel how good it is to spread your love and your light with others, literally, because that's who you are. And as you spread your love with others, watch it come back to you in multiples, times 10, times 100, times 200. So quit acting so small and step into your power, step into your light and shine it so bright that the whole world can see it. And I know it can be hard, especially like if you're working on your dream and you feel like it's never coming and never coming. But remember, you guys, perseverance is everything. Remember to stay consistent and persevere, and you can have whatever you want. No dream is too big. And remember, you guys, what matters most is, it doesn't matter what you're attached to all these thinkings like about your ego, what career you do, what sex you are, what age you are. All of it doesn't matter. What matters most is like what's on the inside, and you are like literally an infinite being. Release and let go of your ego. And understand, you guys, that the only moment that we truly ever have is now, and the time is now. Release and let go of the past that's holding you back. Whatever trauma or whatever you're holding on to, release it, because it's not serving you in any way, shape or form. And live truly in the now. Like the now is where the pure bliss and joy is at. In a way that can really help to keep you focused in the present moment whenever you feel like your mind running away with you and running out of control, like a runaway steam train, is remember to remember. Say that in your head, and also ask yourself, I wonder what my next thought will be. And when you do this, you become the conscious observer of your mind running away. Don't let your mind rule you. Remember who is in charge here. Take time each day to consciously observe and watch your thoughts as they come up, and don't feed your thoughts, just observe them. When I say don't feed them, I mean don't allow your thoughts to basically be in charge of your emotions and control your vibrations, as we want to stay on that high vibrational frequency. Therefore we become like a magnet to attract more good. So therefore we don't want negative thoughts to start impacting and having negative emotions, and therefore becoming a magnet to attract more negative. Anyways, you guys, I just really hope that you get how intelligent you are. You're such a miraculous being of energy and light, and do not allow this physical appearance to think that's all you are, because you're so you're infinite, you're limitless. And I really hope you never feel the need to doubt yourself. I absolutely love and adore you with my whole heart, and I really hope that you love and adore yourself with your whole heart, because we are one. I'm you and you're me. If you've got any issues in your life, I suggest those issues, all they need is more love. Literally, fill your whole entire life up with more love. Every single being should be literally filled with love. Each and every cell, more love, more love. For example, if you have a problem with your physical appearance, look at yourself through the eyes of love. Because remember, when we look, we're not just seeing, we're also projecting. So remember, it's all perspective. What you might view as a flaw could be someone else's idea of complete and utter beauty. I really hope this video helps to raise your vibration all the way up. It's certainly raising mine creating this video. So I really hope that it fulfills its purpose for you. And yeah, guys, I create so much yoga videos. I really hope they help you as well. Yeah, if you found this video useful, please do share, like, and subscribe. It helps me so much to create more content for you guys, which I truly love doing. I also want you just to listen to this. You can listen to it whilst you're meditating, or whilst you're almost about to fall asleep, and then the first thing when you wake up in the morning. It's kind of like subliminal, getting into your subconscious, really changing your thoughts and changing your life in a positive way. You can repeat these out loud, or you can repeat them within your mind. I always have enough. I do enough. I am more than enough. I am abundance. I am abundant. I am the master of my thoughts. With each breath, I am connected to Source. The gift of health is keeping me alive. I am the most powerful vibration. I am love. I am love. Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. I am attracting everything I want. I relax into knowing that everything is working out in my favor. I am in alignment with God. I am conscious. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my healthy mind and body. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Thank you, thank you, thank you for flowing wealth and abundance. I'm so happy and grateful to be me. I relax into the knowing that everything is working out for the greater good. Everything always works out for me. The whole entire universe is conspiring in my favor. I always attract what I want because I focus on the good. I'm so happy and grateful for everything I have been blessed with. Thank you. Thank you for water. Thank you for my heart. Thank you for health. Thank you for wealth. Thank you for yoga. Thank you for oxygen. Thank you for copious amounts of physical wealth. I always have enough because I am more than enough. Thank you for food. Thank you for plants. Thank you for the moon. Thank you for the sun. Thank you for the stars. Thank you for oxygen, for healing our entire bodies, each and every cell. Thank you for abundance. Now take a moment to breathe in all this gratitude and really feel it. Like, feel how amazing it is to be blessed with the gift of life. Let it fill each and every single cell within your body. Feel it in your toes, flowing all the way up through your legs, to your knees, to your thighs, and then to your stomach, up to your heart space. Let it expand your heart space, and then through your shoulders, your arms, running all the way to your fingertips, and then up back to your shoulders, through your neck and your throat, and then all the way up into your third eye chakra, and then through your brain, and then through your crown chakra. Feel it lifting you up, expanding you. Thank you. Now we shall take a moment just to be. I love you guys. See you in my next upload.